Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. So in today's video I'm going to show you how I make this mouth-watering oven baked moi moi with beef. So if you are interested, please watch the video to the end and please don't forget to give this video a thumbs up. For this recipe, here is the washed beans that I'm going to use. Here are the ingredients that I'm going to use. I have some sunflower oil, ground beef, 2 Maggi cubes, crayfish, eggs. In my bowl here, I have 1 scotch bonnet, 2 medium-sized onions, 2 medium-sized bell peppers, and lastly, salt to your taste. I'm going to soak my crayfish with warm water for 2 minutes to avoid some sand in our food. You can as well do this process. So now it's time for me to blend the beans and all the ingredients. I'm just going to blend everything together so that everything will mix together very well. So guys, if you like this video, please don't forget to give it a thumbs up. You can as well subscribe if you like what you see. Thank you. So here is my frying pan. I just add my beef meat, then I add some salt. I'm just going to give it a nice stir. Then I'll add some thyme. I'll add some black pepper, some beef stock to give it a nice taste. I'll just leave it to cook for 2 minutes, then I'll set it aside. So now, as you can see, I've blended the whole ingredients with the beans together. I'm just going to start adding the other ingredients. Now I'll add some salt. Then I'll add the beef meat. I'm just going to add some sunflower oil. You can use any oil of your choice. I'll mix everything together very well. I think it's a little bit thick. I'm just going to add little water to make it a little bit lighter. So here is the oven plate that I'm going to use. I first rub it with some oil. I'm just going to pour all the minced beans. Here is the eggs that I'm going to use. I'm just going to place them on top of the minced beans. So now, before I put it inside my oven, I'm just going to add some warm water into this oven tray. Then I'll place the plate inside the oven tray with some water. You need to do that. Then I'll cover it with some foil paper before I put it in the oven. Then I will leave it inside my oven for about 170 degrees for 1 hour. All depends on your oven. So guys, I'm going to leave you at this point, and I hope to see you in my next video. Please don't forget to give this video a thumbs up, share and subscribe. For my old returnees, thank you for always stopping by. Ciao.